that anyone watching this can see that there are pieces they could pull from all the things that we've talked about that would supplement anything they would normally talk about. And the reality is, for example, I teach an HBCU located in a federally designated distressed community, serving a vast majority of people of color. And for our students who are often military veterans, non-traditional age, a community development financial institution is probably a good solution to the layering of their financial being. And I think that's true rural or urban communities.